In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at 5 PS5 hacks and tips you probably didn't know about. If you've just bought a PS5 or maybe you've had one for a while, these hacks will for sure save you some time and make using the PS5 a more enjoyable experience. So the first tip we're going to take a look at, which was a game changer for me, instead of having to navigate right over to the other side of the screen every time you want to get to the settings or the search feature, you can actually press the triangle button and it will automatically take you over to the settings icon. The next tip is really handy if you're watching a movie, TV show, or even immersed in a game. You can hide all new notifications by pressing the PlayStation logo button on the controller to access the control center and select the Do Not Disturb toggle to on. This will prevent all notifications from being displayed on your PS5. The next tip we're going to take a look at is having the ability to log into the PS5 in offline mode. Now you may want to use this feature if you want to play a particular game or watch Netflix, for example, without being interrupted by friends knowing that you're online. So to do this, when you get to the login screen, press the menu button on the PS5 controller and go down until you see the option for Appear Offline. You can also have the option to do this from the home screen by pressing the PlayStation logo on the controller to access the control center, navigating over to the user icon, and then selecting Appear Offline. Next, if you ever want to completely mute all the audio coming from your PS5, say for example you've got someone shouting at you from another room, rather than muting the TV via the remote, you can press and hold the mute button on the controller, which will actually silence all audio coming from the TV. The final feature is for anyone who uses an external hard drive for the PS5. If you go into the settings and then storage, you will see a toggle for always install PS4 games to extended storage, which is really handy for ensuring that your PS4 games don't fill up the SSD on your PS5. So if you made it to the end of this video, drop a PS5 hacks in the comments so that I know that you did, and I'll be sure to reply to your comment. If you enjoy tech and gaming related content, be sure to check out this video next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.